morning. I'm here at KLA of Plainfield with Miss Christina, our Baby Nido teacher. I'm Tracy, the pedagogical coordinator, and we're excited to share with you how we incorporate nature into our Baby Nido classroom and the importance of it to start at such an early age. Miss Christina, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Christina, and I've been here at KLA for a little bit over 10 years, and I've been in the Baby Nido room. And the way, first of all, I feel like our kids are lucky because we get to experience all the seasons here in Illinois. And, we're able to, if it's snowing, go outside, get a bin, bring it inside, let the children explore the snow. Like in the fall, if there's the leaves, we could go outside in the backyard, pick up some leaves, pick up some pine cones, bring them back inside and explore them in many different ways. In the summertime, we take advantage of the sun that comes through the window, and also outside we'll take different kind of materials and explore some shadows with them. We do that, and then, am I missing something
I think
else?
in the summertime too, we don't want to forget about our summer camp and how we incorporate water play with even our baby Nidos. So they even get to explore that aspect of nature as well. And they get to play in the splash and the sprinkler. And then they also get to visit our garden in the summertime, which is another unique feature to our school. So they can see the plants, they can touch them, they can smell them. They learn with all their senses really when we incorporate nature in the classroom. And I love, like Christina said, that we're blessed to have all the seasons here. So we get to enjoy all the fun things of summer and the summer sun warmth. We've been enjoying the beauty of fall here right now as we're in November. And before you know it, that snow's coming and it'll be here for the children to enjoy.
Explore, correct.
Great job, Miss Christina. I think it's great that we get to offer that, and we start as early as our babies here at KLA of Plainfield. Thank you. See you all soon.
Bye-bye.